everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from a brand new brand called Natique. So if you're interested in this unit and what this brand is all about, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from Natique, and this one is brought to you by divatrust.com. So if you're interested on where you can purchase this unit on divatrust.com, and what you will expect when shopping at divatrust.com, please be sure to wait towards the end of this video to find out more. But in the meantime, I will be reviewing this unit from Natique. This is a new brand and I wanted to try them out just to see what it's all about, and I am loving this wig. This wig is such a cute cut. I just love the color as well. But before I get into my thoughts, let me get into the specs of this unit. So this unit is a bobbed unit. It is an extreme left part unit, and it comes with 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps. And this is a very comfortable unit. This is an ear-to-ear lace, but this is the only part that the wig comes in. As far as any of the colors that this wig have, on the stock card, the model has more of a lilac root, and I have that hot pink. You all know I love color, so I had to go with something that I absolutely would love, and this is such a gorgeous color combination. I love that the root is a nice hot pink, and it is going in throughout, well, the front part of the unit. The cut of this unit is very nice as well. As you all can tell, it is an angled bob. And on this side, it is much longer. And as you all can tell, it also has an angle as well, which I really like. And it does have that look. I am loving it so much. And how this wig turned out is so beautiful as well. Now, as far as the back of the stock card, you all see that this is another color that the model is sporting. It is more of a teal color, but it does come in a variety of other colors as well. And I will be sure to leave that down in the description box down below. Now, for the official color of this unit, it is called Umbrella Hot Pink, and the name of this unit is called BFF Lace Freesia. And this is a part of their BFF collection. So yeah, I do love this wig. The color is beautiful. The combination is very nice. And it's pretty cool for those who are not into the full colored wigs. You can definitely try this one out and see what you would like about it. I think it's a very good way to kind of introduce yourself to color if you're not 100% fully onto the whole thing being one straight like hot pink color. Now, as far as any cons, I don't have any cons with this unit. It was very easy for me to throw on and go. As far as the preparation to get this wig laying right, I didn't have to do a lot, and the parting space was already pretty flat already. So if you're purchasing this unit on divatrust.com, you will not be disappointed with this with this unit specifically from this brand. It is very easy. You didn't have to do a lot with it, which is great. So if you're on the go and you're trying to be in and out, this wig will not be hard for you to maneuver. Well, for me at least. So it was not that hard for me to do that. And of course, I did put my hot comb on, but I didn't really use it that much. Just to flatten it down just a tad bit, but nothing much really. Now, as far as divatrust.com, as you all know, it is free shipping over $75 within continental US. And also when clicking through with their units, especially their colored units, be sure to look out for any sort of additional fees for colors. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. It depends on the brand. So definitely go ahead and check that out to make sure that there isn't any additional fees with this color. Now, I know there's an additional fee for this particular wig. I've clicked through on their website and it is an additional fee. So you can definitely go ahead and check that out. All of the colors are there. Hopefully by the time you all get to this unit, this particular color is there. I haven't seen anyone review this color thus far. Mainly the color on the stock card was reviewed, but not this color. So I hope I've convinced you all to go out and get this color. I prefer this one a little bit more. It's giving more of a summer vibe, and I love that about this wig. I just love this pink. This is it. And you know, everything is Barbie this, Barbie that. So this is kind of like one of those wigs if you want to get into that Barbie vibe and you're not so sold on the brighter colors, but you still want to be a part of that, you can definitely go ahead and try this one out. I think this is a winner. I do like it a lot, and you all could go ahead and check out divatress.com and purchase it from there. And if you have it already, let me know. What do you think about the wig? I like it so far. I love it. It's so easy to use, and it's so not that difficult to work with. So that's what I love about wigs that are like this. It's very nice. It's a beautiful bobbed wig. So let me know if you are interested in purchasing it down below, or if you have it already, let me know what you think about it. And thank you so much, Divatress, for allowing me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.